Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going over the February base box Boxycharm. I cheated, peeked in the box. I have thoughts. I did put some of my makeup on. I of course will have everything listed in the description box for you below. And if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box, then just keep watching. Here is the box, and if you are not familiar with Boxycharm, they are a monthly subscription box. There are different sized boxes. I get the smallest box. You get 5 full-sized items, whether they are tools, makeup, skincare. You get to choose one of your items, and the price is $27.99 a month. They do have deals. You can prepay for the year and get a discount. There are different things you can do, but in general, $27.99 a month. I am usually very pleased with my boxes. It's an opportunity to try brands I've never tried before. It's a great deal. There's usually at least one item in the box that makes the box worth the price. There have been boxes I liked more than others. We'll see what my thoughts are on this one. Like I said, I did cheat and peek inside so that I could put some things on my face, and if I had gotten any makeup in the box, I could apply it and get a first impression with you. I was a little surprised when I opened the box, and in the box I found 2 cards. There's usually 1 card inside the box that has a theme and then tells you what you're getting in the box, retail value, all that fun stuff. I got 2 of the same card. It says Boxycharm Treat Yourself Heart Out, and on the back there's no information about the products. It says, epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works and can't wait to tell you all about it. Follow us on Instagram, get excited for the biggest beauty news of the year. That's all it says. So I am flying blind going through these products. So I will, through the magic of editing, be talking about a product, and then I will look it up and tell you some more information about it as we go. A little bit of a pain, but that's okay. The second thing that I noticed when I opened my box is that, as I said, you get 5 full-sized items. There are 4. Where's the missing product, Boxycharm? I don't know. I will reach out to them, see what happens. The first item in my box that we are going to chat about, first of all, let me take a step back. I need something on these lips, so I'm going to put a little bit of my LYS. This is their Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil on. I've been enjoying this as I'm getting ready. Then when we get to the lip product, I can remove it and apply it. So the first thing that I am going to chat about is this Iconic London Dewy Glow Highlight. Looks like it is a highlighting palette. This is what it looks like. Very reflective. Apply to the high points of your face and collarbone and blend with a buffing brush, fingertips, or beauty sponge for an all-over radiant glow. Looks like you have a pinkier shade, a more champagne, and a bronze. I thought we could apply this different places on my face and see what happens. I did put a little bit of bronzer on my eyelids. So I'm going to take a little bit of this champagne one. It feels slick on my finger, and let's see what this looks like on the eyes. It is creamy and silky. I don't know if it will break up my eye primer. And then I thought I would take the bronzier shade and maybe put it on where bronzer would normally go, just to see what happens. Obviously, it is meant to be a highlight palette for all different skin tones. I'm going to put this right here, and then we'll set it with my powder bronzer that I brought in. Again, a very soft definition and glow. I'm liking it so far. I'm going to take a little bit of the pink, and I'm going to put that where my blush would go. I think it looks very pretty. I'm gonna give it a few minutes to set and then see, does it stay dewy on the face? If it's one of those situations where my hair gets stuck in it, I won't like it. So let's give it a minute to set and move on to the next product. The next product I have here is this Saint Luxe, and these appear to be lip liners. This is Morganite, it's more of a brown shade, and then this one is Carnelian, which appears to be red. Here is Morganite, I like that. Definitely a shade I would wear. And then this one is Carnelian. They seem to apply creamy. I'll give them a minute to set and see if they do set down or if they smear or how that works. I'm gonna take this lip balm off, and then I had set my T-zone a little bit earlier with some powder using my sponge. So I'm just gonna go over the edges of my lips to make sure that they do not have any gloss left. And there is a lip color in there, so I'm gonna go with the browner shade. This one is the Morganite. So that went on very nicely, very creamy. Hopefully it's long lasting. I will, of course, keep you posted, but it is a very nice color. I'm gonna leave these alone a little bit longer to make sure that they set appropriately. Next thing in the box is this Honest Beauty Lip Crayon Lush Sheer. Now I do have one of these lip colors from Honest Beauty, but it is a matte color. I've never tried the Lush Sheer version. This is what it looks like. And this is a swatch. It is a nice sort of tangerine orange color. Go ahead and apply it. I love the smell of most Honest Beauty products have this very fruity scent, which I love. Very pretty. I like that a lot. Does not feel like it would be a long wearing formula. We shall see. I'm not gonna touch these again. I'm moving on, and the last product in the box is right here. This is the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara. This was my choice item. I just love trying a new mascara. This is on the newest side from Benefit. It's an extreme lengthening and lifting mascara with magnetically enriched formula that works with the magnetic core to extend lashes 40% longer. Retails for $28. I'm excited. Very pretty packaging. I like the look of the wand. Let's go in. Coat number one is not blowing my mind. Let me throw a couple coats on and I'll be right back. I'm back. There's a couple of coats. I can't say I'm blown away, but I am very picky about mascaras, especially high-end, when there's so many good drugstore ones out there. The formula felt a little bit dry. I put a couple coats on. It looks okay, but you know I prefer a bolder eye look on the norm, and when you have a bold eye look, you really need that mascara to perform. So feeling a little disappointed with the mascara. Yes, it's sticky. Don't love that. The lip liner, it's smudging a bit. Strike, strike, strike. Let me see if I can set this powder and blush really quick. I have my L'Oreal Infallible bronzer in the shade medium. And I don't mind the shine coming through. And then because I had a peachier lip, I grabbed my Sephora. This is their Hot Flush Blush. I love this, and it does have a little bit of a shimmer to it. Milani Make It Last setting spray. Final thoughts on these products. First, we had the highlight kit. I'm not sure if I recommend it because I just don't love how it stayed sticky on my face. I could feel that it didn't dry down. I don't love that. So this, I will see how it wears, but so far it's only meh to me. The lip liners I like. They glided on. I would have preferred if they weren't so smeary on my hand, but these I believe that I will use. What scares me is the red. I did notice the other day my Morphe bled a little bit, whereas my MAC didn't. So sometimes we do truly get what we pay for. However, on most days I'm wearing more nude colors, so this Morganite, I will probably use this one. So we shall see. I will try to keep you posted in my monthly favorites and fails. I'll try to set these aside and really make an effort to use them. The lip color I like, but I am more of a matte lip kind of girl. I will most likely blot this. As a matter of fact, let me just blot it right now. Okay, when I blot it, it's not bad. The color sort of stays, that's nice. There's only a minimal amount of transfer. So the lip color is gonna go in the okay category as well. I prefer the matte one better, but if you like really nourishing shine products, you may like this, and the scent is so very pleasing. Right now, this is probably my favorite. And then the last thing was the mascara. It's okay. I'm not loving it. I'm not in love. So overall, my thoughts on my February Boxycharm box are not great. This is by far my least favorite box that I've gotten in quite a while. I don't like that I was flying blind trying to tell you about the products without a functional card. I don't like that I'm missing a product. So Boxycharm, this one was a stinker, if you ask me. You can do better. I've seen you do better. In the comment section, let me know. Are you a member of Boxycharm? What did you get in your box this month? Are you looking to start with Boxycharm? Let me know. I, of course, will have everything in the description box for you below. The products that I got, if I can find them to link. All of the things that were already on my face. I have hope that Boxycharm will rectify my missing product. If you're not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up. I love your comments. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. It brings me joy. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.